Today I need a shave. If you haven't noticed already, you will in a minute or so. And I'm going to be testing this particular shaver. It is the Braun Series 5 5018 foil shaver with trimmer. It is a wet dry shaver. It is easy to clean. It's got a couple of holes underneath the top and you can just run hot water through there. That has always worked for me. This is what it looks like close up. That is the rinse hole that I mentioned earlier. Nothing remarkable about the back of the thing. The head snaps off for replacement, and then you can take the trim blade and snap it right on. The Braun 5 series uses a multi-blade system on a floating head. Can you see? Can you see the float? Can you see the float? Time to start shaving. Nice. Really nice. Comfortable. Handsome. In general, I've always thought Braun made good products. I've liked their German engineering. I like the design, the grip, the way it feels in my hand. Braun did not buy this for me. I paid for it with my own money, and I'm happy I did because it allowed me to make this video for you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. It's your comments that send me in the different directions I go in when I'm planning to make these videos. Subscribe if you want more of this great content. And as always, I want to wish you guys a wonderful day. I want to wish you guys a wonderful life.